The most effective strategy for local SEO for foundation repair contractors is to pay attention to your Google business profile or your Google listing. Everyone is offered a free listing by Google if you have a business. Let's start with photos. So make sure you have 50 or more photos posted in your Google listing. Secondly, make sure that you take every one of your services that you're offering and turn them into products. Google allows you to do this in your Google business profile. Another area that you could take advantage of is you could post questions that customers often ask you, and then you could answer those and get lots and lots of reviews. So pay attention to your Google business profile. Now, another important area in regards to local SEO is your website. You're going to want to have really good, helpful content on your website. Also, in regards to your website, make sure you have your name, address, and phone number on every single page of your website. Typically, you could put that in the footer of the website. And certainly be sure to tie your Google listing to your website. You're going to want to have the Google map on your website, typically on your contact us page. So start there, start with the basics, and that should give a boost to your local SEO efforts.